Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have the Stanford University entrance examination question and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys we want to do, we want to simply isolate the square root of x, alright? So in order for us to isolate the square root of x, we want to simply subtract the square root of 2 from both sides. So this is the square root of x plus the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 is equals to 2 minus the square root of 2. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have the square root of x is equals to 2 minus the square root of 2. So the next thing we want to do is to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of x all square is equal to 2 minus the square root of what? 2 all square. So we want to simply use this identity to expand the right hand side and we have the identity to be a minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus what? B square, where a is equals to 2 and b is equals to the square root of 2. So we have that this we cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to 2 square minus 2 multiply 2 multiply the root of 2 plus the root of 2 all square. So from here we have that x is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 2 multiply 2 4 multiply the square root of 2, we have this to be 4 root 2 plus this we cancel out this, so we have this to be 2. So x is equals to 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. Alright, and this becomes the value of x. So we have been able to find the value of x. So let's verify to show if our answer is actually correct. So we're going to say to verify, we have the expression to be given as the square root of x plus the square root of 2 is equals to 2, and we have that x is equals to 6 minus 4 root 2. So we have this to be the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus 2 is equals to what? 2. Alright, so we want to simply expand 6 minus 4 root 2. Alright, so we're going to say assume that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equals to the square root of a minus the square root of b. So we want to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 all square is equals to the root of a minus the root of b all square. But the square root of a minus the square root of b all square is equals to a plus b minus 2 into the root of what? ab. So hence we have this to be this we cancel out this, so we have 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to a plus b minus 2 into the root of what? ab. So what we have to do is to what? Compare. So on comparing, we have that a plus b is equals to 6, which is the real root or the rational number, and we have minus 2 into the root of ab is equals to minus 4 root 2, which is the irrational what? Number. That is the ones with the square root right here. So we are going to call this equation 1 and call this equation what? 2. So we say from equation 2, we have minus 2 into the root of ab is equals to minus 4 root 2. So divide both sides by minus 2. This we cancel out this. So we have this to be the square root of ab is equals to this cancel out this 2 here 1 2 into 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 2. So square both sides right here to get rid of the square roots. This we cancel out this. So we have ab is equals to 2 square minus the root of 2 all square. ab is equals to 2 square is 4 multiply this we cancel out this, we have this to be 2. So we have that ab is equals to 4 multiplied 2 is 8. So hence we have that a plus b is equals to 6 and ab is equals to what? 8. So applying the sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation, and we have that to be given as t square minus into a plus bt plus ab is equals to 0. So we have t square minus 6t plus 8 is equals to what? 0. So factorize, we take this and multiply, we have this to be 8t square. Think of two numbers and when you multiply it's going to give us 8t square, and when you add or subtract it's going to give us minus 60. We have this number to be minus 4t and minus what? 2t. So let's check this out. If we have minus 4t multiply minus 2t, this is equals to 8t square, and minus 40 minus 2t is going to give us minus what? 60. So we have t square minus 40 minus 2t plus 8 is equals to 0. If you factor out this, we have t to be common and we have t minus 4 to be left. We have this to be minus. If you factor this out, we have 2 to be common and we have t minus 4 to be left, and this is equals to 0. This is common and this is common, so we have t minus 4 multiply t minus 2, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have that t minus 4 is equals to 0 and t minus 2 is equals to 0. So t is equals to 0 plus 4 and t is equals to 4. At this part we have t is equals to 0 plus 2 and t is equals to 2. So we have a is equals to 4 and b is equals to what? 2. Alright, so we have been able to find the value of a and b. So we want to recall that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to the root of a minus the root of b, right? So at this point we are going to say recall that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to the root of a minus the root of b. So this is equal to the root of a is 4 minus the root of b, which is 2, and this is equal to the square root of 4 is 2 minus the square root of 2. So we have that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equals to 2 minus root 2. So we have that right here. So coming up to this point right here, that is this equation star, we have the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus 2 is equals to 2. We are trying to verify that right here. So we are going to say hence the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus the root of 2 is equals to 2, and we know that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is 2 minus the root of 2 plus the root of 2, and this is equals to 2. This we cancel out this, so we have that 2 is equals to what? 2. Left hand side is equals to the what? Right hand side, and we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this 9 square root simplification problem. That is the Stanford University entrance examination question right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.